that in order to be watching this video today, you must have your notes out and be filling them out as we go. This is the video for Topic 10, Lesson 1 and Topic 10, Lesson 2. This is all about rational numbers. Your learning target today is I can apply concepts with rational numbers. We'll begin with a vocabulary check. The first word I want you to clue in on is integer. The integer is the counting numbers, their opposites, and 0. An opposite would be a number that is the same distance from 0, and then the absolute value would be the integer's distance from 0. So in order to learn this lesson, we're going to be working a lot with number lines. So let's review this concept of integers just a little bit. A positive or negative whole number, including 0, is called an integer. So this number, -3, is read as -3. -3 is an integer. It can also be written with or without the parentheses. Most often you will see it without. It is 3 spaces less than 0. So it is technically 0 minus 3, which would give us -3. So let's look at this concept of integers on a number line. Positive and negative integers can be shown. So we have our positive integers, we have our negative integers, and then of course 0. We can use a number line to compare and order integers. We can also use the number line later on in this unit to add and subtract integers. So for example, -3 is greater than -8. If you look at the number line, you can see that -3 is positioned right here. It is 3 steps away from 0. -8 is positioned all the way down here. It is 8 steps from 0. So I want you to think about this lesson in terms of how close the negative numbers are to 0. The closer the negative number is to 0, the greater value it has over other negative numbers. So the concepts in 10.1 are all about locating numbers on a number line. In 10.2, we start to compare those numbers that we've located. So look at these integers and order them from the smallest to the largest. Think about a number line when you do this, and think about their position on the number line. So if we start putting the numbers in, -2 would be placed here, 8 would go here, +2 would be here, -6 would be down here, -9, and 5. So to place them in order from the smallest to the largest, we would start on the left-hand side of our number line. The numbers over here at the end would have the least value. So we would start with -9, and it would be our smallest number, and then continue on the numbers we've put on our number line all the way until we get to +8. So the integers in order from smallest to largest would be -9, -6, -2, 2, 5, and 8.